Want to know how to set up Mailchimp for your blog and start growing your email list today? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to set up Mailchimp step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you're new to email marketing or looking to optimize your current setup, you'll walk away with everything you need to get started. Before we dive in, you can use Mailchimp for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, we've got some exclusive bonuses just for you. Now let's jump in. First thing you need to do is create an account on Mailchimp. If you don't already have one, head to their website, click on the Sign Up Free button, and follow the simple instructions to create your account. It's quick and easy, and the free plan gives you access to most of the features you need to get started with email marketing for your blog. Once you've signed up and logged in, you'll need to create your first email list. This is where Mailchimp will store all your subscribers. Go to the Audience tab, then click on Create Audience. You'll fill in some basic details like your audience name, from email address, and the name you want to appear when your emails are sent. Make sure your audience name is relevant to your blog so you can easily keep track of them down the line. Next thing, let's create a sign-up form. You need a way for visitors to subscribe to your email list. In the Audience section, click Sign Up Forms and choose Form Builder. Mailchimp gives you a pre-designed template that you can easily customize to match your blog's look and feel. Add fields like name, email, or whatever information you want to collect. If you want to go the extra mile, you can embed this form directly on your blog's homepage or include it in a pop-up. Now, let's move on to setting up your first campaign. In Mailchimp, campaigns are your email newsletters or updates that go out to your subscribers. From the dashboard, click Create Campaign, then choose Email. Select your audience, give your campaign a name, and then you can either start from scratch or use one of Mailchimp's pre-built templates. Personalize the content with a subject line that grabs attention and add in your blog's latest posts, updates, or promotions. The fourth thing you need to do is automate your emails. Mailchimp offers automation, which is a powerful tool for bloggers. You can set up welcome emails for new subscribers, or even create a series of automated emails that get sent when someone signs up or interacts with your site. Go to Automations, choose a pre-built workflow like a welcome email, and customize it. This ensures your audience stays engaged without you having to manually send every email. And the final thing I want to mention is tracking your results. After you've sent your first few campaigns, it's important to track how well they're performing. Go to the Reports tab, and Mailchimp will show you metrics like open rates, click rates, and more. This helps you figure out what's working and what isn't so you can fine-tune your email marketing efforts. Before I go, remember that Mailchimp offers a completely free plan to get started, and you can grab an exclusive extended free trial if you click the link in the description below. Now that you know how to set up Mailchimp for your blog, you'll be ready to grow your audience and start sending emails that drive traffic and conversions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that link for your exclusive bonus.